Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am the alien goddess. So I talked about my drum, but I have no idea where the video went. So we're gonna do a crash course again. So if you've heard any of my sonic activations, thank you. And then also, I want to say this is what's happening. I'm literally speaking into my drum and I'm resonating like into my drum. And I want to talk about how we can use the drum. I don't use it in the typical way, obviously. I use it as a resonator to the point now where, like, if I sit it up here, I don't know if it'll stay. Let me try. Setting it right here. And my drum resonates. Also my quartz. It was like on a squishy surface, so I don't know if it absorbed it. But anyways, when I'm not singing into my drum, and the way I like to work with it is I literally place it on different parts of my body, drum. I even bite it like this. And shake out loose energy. Resonating into it, literally using it as a resonator, training my voice, and also when the frequencies are resonating and bouncing off my drum back into my throat. Now you can hear that it's literally resonating as I'm just speaking, like just normally speaking. You can hear her start to sing and she's like ping, 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 right? Yeah. And that's how I'm like training myself, by feeling the vibration and hearing the resonance. But I do usually have my headphones on, and my headphones are usually set to like cancel out noise. So it's a very like vibration based process. So all the ways that we can use the drum besides just banging on one. I absolutely love using this as a frequency tool. If you have a drum, try this out. Start resonating or singing inside of it. You can even do it to the front of it. Like if I'm just talking and I can get like really close, and I can see, and your drum resonates with you, and it creates like a very deep, beautiful connection between your instrument and you. Also, the drum being a circle, very womb-like, yeah. So I wanted to just kind of talk about the drum and using it in unconventional ways, and how that can support your sonic activation and your frequency work. Not just banging, which is lovely, but using it as a resonator, feeling the vibration when you're singing into it, letting it resonate with you. Even if I have it sitting up over here by my quartz and everything, if I clap, my drum will resonate. And how it literally is tuning your frequency. You and your drum are like tuning each other, and it's this like gorgeous moment happening. And also it's helping you become more resonant and more and become that resonator. Like you walk into a room, it starts echoing because you're in it, your voice is expressing. And that's the power of your creation engine expressing through your voice and turning everything into a temple. So my new sonic activation is waking the temple, where I go and I use my glossolalia. I like calling it glossolalia because that takes it back to like the priestess temple vibes, instead of using light language, but it can be called light language, or any other distorted. In the Christian tradition, it's like the speaking of tongues, and then in the Jewish tradition, it's the Shekinah. Many names. I like glossolalia. That takes it back to the Greek temple priestess oracle current that I hold within myself. So that's the term I like to use. So yeah, this was just like a really quick how I use my drum and what you're hearing. All you're hearing is my voice resonating inside my drum. And I apologize, I have a fan on in the background because it's very hot, and I do not want to put my air conditioner in my window and listen to that constant. At least my fan, I could just move it around and turn it off. So that is like a little background hum that you're getting, but yeah, it's way too hot not to have a fan on. Also, I find that as I'm like generating and resonating and holding my frequency, and recently a very like big light body activation, I tend to, when I make the room resonant, I tend to put off heat. It gets really hot. So not only do we have the heat outside, we also have the heat that I'm generating. So it gets hot. So yeah. So placing this on different parts of your body and then drumming, even if like it's on a center and it's not resonating, the vibration or the pounding, that's shaking those meridians loose, that's opening up that energy flow, and that for that energy to be released, cleared, circulated, whatever floats your boat on that, you know what I mean? And fascinating that I just discovered that I can literally sing inside my drum and it will resonate and it will ping with me, and I'm tuning my own auditory hearing and my vocals to be resonant by listening to my drum. So that's all that's happening, and just a simple free app that you download that makes your voice echo. That makes the echo. I love the echo. It gives it that temple vibe for sure. And that's why I use it to enhance the resonance and pull out the layers of the drum, the layers of my vocals. But yeah, so if you have a drum and you like, if you're like banging on it and you're like, I don't know if this is quite my bag, go ahead and use it in different ways. Use it for your voice, sing into it, listen to it, you know, really get to know your drum. For mine sat dormant for quite a while, and then one day I was just like, this is how I'm going to use my drum, and I'm not using it to drum in the traditional sense. I literally started singing into the back of it or into the front of it. It all started when I took a deep breath and I was like and I heard my air bounce off my drum, and then I was like, wait. And then the light bulb clicked. So yeah, simple echo app, but just my voice and just my drum, and that's it. That's what I use for the sonic activations. I will when I get to a certain point of anchoring, because I've been going through like a lot of activations myself and like anchoring, embodying that 0 point. Oh, and just holding all of you, right? When I get to a certain point and I feel ready, I will go out and do this on the dragon lines. That should be interesting. I have not, since I called my sacred sound back, I have not been on the dragon lines using my sacred sound. So that'll be a very fun experience, and I'm pretty sure I'll record it and you guys will be along for that. But yeah, all the different ways to use your drum. You don't just bang it, but also this is a great energy tool, tuning fork, clearing, like even like putting it on your back if you need to clear it, and then just, even if it's not sounding the way that it would normally because the sound's being muffled from being placed on your body, the banging is what is opening up those energy channels and shaking shit loose. So yeah, using your drum for everything. Bite it. I love, if you are trying to do like crown, higher, third eye activations, if you have a drum, bite it, okay? Like, go ahead and bite it. You'll feel the vibration come through your jaw, your face, everything will start vibrating. It'll open up that pineal, those glands will open up and everything. That's a really great way to work with it. If you're working lower, lay down, lay flat, just start banging on that sacral, that root, whatever comes through for you, right? Let your body relax and let the sound and the frequency move through you. And you'll notice like right left, right left, right left, right left, right left, right. So your brain patterns will sync to that, and that's actually a very amazing practice as well, for that right hemisphere, left hemisphere meeting in the corpus callosum middle moment, where whenever something like polarity, left and right, masculine, feminine, black and white, they collapse in the middle, that's 0 point energy. It's the place where duality ends and becomes unity and quintessence, the fifth thing, the fifth harmonic, that's where it's birthed from the union of collapsing opposites. And that's a very powerful practice too. So yeah, I just wanted to give a little rundown on the drum. You don't have to just bang on it in a traditional sense. If your drum's just sitting in a corner, believe me, mine was too. And then one day I decided to pick it up and just start placing it on my body, working with it, then resonating with it, took it to a whole nother level. Your drum will sing when you're resonant. So you can train your voice to become resonant. Do you realize how powerful that is? Resonance bends, creates, and shapes reality. Okay? So if you can teach your voice to become resonant, and it doesn't just stay in your voice. Like right now, just talking to you normally, I can feel the vibrations going through my fingertips from my drum. Just using my normal voice and using this to tune your own frequency and sound to become resonant is such a powerful tool, because when you got it right, she sings. When you got it right, she vibrates. When you can feel the authority and that resonance and power, your drum will respond to you. Okay? So yeah, I've been thinking about maybe down the road grabbing a crystal bowl, seeing how that works, using my voice. It's like I'm using my voice in all these tools, maybe tuning forks, who knows. But you don't have to just, use it in the conventional sense. The drum is like a very powerful frequency tool, and also for your intuition, your drum will tell you where you want to go. Like if you're having knee issues and you want to place it on your knee, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Your body will tell you where to put your drum. And it's like a very intuitive, flowing, open understanding. And yeah, so that's my little breakdown on my drum. That's all that happens in my music. My sonic activations is just my voice singing into my drum and letting it flow, and then throwing it over just an echo microphone. That's it. So yeah, I hope if you guys have drums, get them out, start talking to them, literally talk to them, resonate with them, let them train you, let your drum show you how to become resonant. And that is a whole powerful, very high frequency experience. When you become resonant, it's a game changer. If you guys haven't, join the Alien Goddess, just Alien Goddess, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.